Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Skill Bonds channel. Today we'll learn about basic Linux commands as a part of Docker series. So let us start learning right away. So these are the basic Linux commands. Today we're going to learn now. One is clear command, one is pwd command, one is ls command, next is cd command, make directory command, remove file from the directory, remove directory rmdir, open file, move the contents of one file to another file, copy the current CP's copy the current content to the other file. So head command, it will display first to 10 records, and tail command displays the last 10 records, and echo is a command to print the argument, and date is a will print the current date, and we'll learn about the nano text editor. Okay, so right away we'll go to the our console. It may be your Ubuntu virtual PC or AWS Ubuntu PC also possible. So let us start with, first of all, we'll learn about the ls. Ls means list the files. These are the listing of the files. Okay, the ls command, it shows you the files and directories at the root directory level. Okay, about the ls command. So this is the first command we are learning today, and second command is here. First of all, before going to second command, it need to clear the screen. So clear is the command to clear the whole screen, whatever commands there is cleared now. Second command is pwd, print working directory. That is the current working directory where you are here. You can see here we are in the /home/ vbox user. Okay, it is a in my this one terminal shows, but in your new terminal it may be a different case actually. Okay, I'm showing you root directory, or maybe you can go now again ls, again go to the cd downloads. Okay, then you'll put pwd. So now it's a we are in the downloads folder. It's helpful for us to trace where we are here, where we where inside the directory where we located here. Okay, now again we'll go to the cd command, go to root directory, then clear again. Okay, so we learned about the pwd. Now what we do is, now we'll create a directory. So make directory. Okay, you can say that here learn, make directory learn, then we'll go inside cd learn, cd learn, then we are in, we need to check now where we stand. So pwd, we will be in the home /vbox user /learn. Okay, now you want to come out of the learn means if you just put here cd, so we'll come to the root directory. Okay, again you clear command here. So now you want to remove the learn directory means you put rmdir learn. You remove the directory level. Okay, this is a how to remove the create a directory learn and how to remove the directory learn here. Okay, then is yours is next is your rm file. So we'll be creating a file. So can create many ways are there. First I'll take the touch command. With help of touch command, I can create a file. Okay. Uh, Testing, or maybe I can say uh, test testing in a file extension possible. Okay. Testing.txt. So we can see here where it's located in the root directory. Testing.txt is located. Where it's here, I think it is maybe testing is here. This is a file here. Okay. Now I want to remove this file, means rm testing.txt. Removed now. Again we checked here. So it is not available here. Testing.txt. So by this way, we need to create a file, means touch command. We can create a file, and to remove a file from the directory, means a root directory, or maybe particular directory, means we put rm, okay, testing.txt. Okay. So again, I should put here to clear the screen. Okay. So this is about the file handling commands, right? So next is your we learn about clear password, ls, cd, make that rename, rm data, open a file. Okay. So now we'll create a open file. I can put here maybe touch. Okay. So learn dot txt. I'm creating on text file, then dot txt using the learn touch command. Then I'll using nano editor, text editor. See here, nano space learn dot txt. So now you can see here what is the command. Hello team. Okay. I am learning Linux today. Okay. So this is already there, the text, or we can add here hello team. Okay, we can put here some more. Okay, I am learning, okay, all Linux commands. Okay, this is a, then to save this file, that's one, control O and enter. Control O and enter. Then to exit this command means text editor means control X. Control X. Now I want to open this one. There are many ways are there. One is you can put cat, okay, learn dot txt, one way. Okay, one more is we can use open learn dot txt. It go to opens another editor. It opens another editor here. Okay, this is one more type of editor. Okay, so how we can able to utilize the open command here. Okay, so we can edit again here. Okay, maybe you can write here and save it. It will save this file. You can see over here. So hello team, again I entered here, save, then quit means close this one. We came out. Okay, this is a open command, how to use the open command. Okay, now next is move and copy. Okay, now I want to move this one to move learn dot txt. I'll do is, so first I'll copy here this one. Sorry, I can use clear command. So cat learn dot txt. Okay, it has a word section. Now I want to copy to learn one. Okay, cp learn dot txt. Okay, to learn one dot txt. I'm copying the file here. So now you can see both are there here. See here, I can check here, learning, learn 11 and learn, both are there, right? So I want to, this is a copy command. So when you copy command is, it will create a copy of existing contents into new file. This is a copy command, okay? Now going to the move command. Move is mv, always move. Learn one dot txt earlier created, now to learn 2.txt. In that case, learn one file will be completely deleted and the contents will be copied to the learn2.txt. Okay, then you can see ls, there is a no learn one now, only learn to exist here. You can see there is no learn one is not there. When you apply the move command, it completely move the contents from the learn1.txt to learn2, then it deletes the learn1.txt file here. Okay, so this is about the copy and move command. Okay, so next is, so header and tail. So I'll create one now. I'll record. Okay, touch. Okay, okay, record example, record dot txt. Okay, this is for demonstration of head and tail command. So now using the nano record dot txt. Okay, now I'll add 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14 comma 15 comma 16 17 18. Okay, so now I'll save this file, control O, save, control X. Okay, now you can able to see this contents, cat record dot txt. Okay, you can able to see 1 to 18. Okay, now I'll clear again. So now head, what is its file name? It is record.txt. So head record.txt. So display first 10 records. It displays the first 10 records. Okay, this is a head record.txt. Then tail, you want tail command, tail. Okay, record.txt, tail record.txt. Now okay, enter here. So last from 9 to 18 display the records. So head will display first 10 records from starting from 1, but tail will display you the tail command last 10 records starting from the 9. Starting from the 9, both showing you 10 records. This is the last, tail is the last, and head is the first to 10. Okay, so clear. Now next is echo command. Echo hello, hello. It echoes the whatever characters put as an argument. Hello is a argument. It will echo the whatever you put here. It will be storing, maybe pinging you again on the prompt. Echo command. Okay, this is about echo command. Clear. Then we can able to see one more command, the date command, date. So what I'll do is here I'll create a date.txt file. Okay, then date greater than date.txt. Okay, so now you can able to see the contents of the current date. Okay, so cat date.txt. you can able to see